If you're looking for where ue2rigify saves templates, the location is in users, your own user, AppData Local Temp, ue2rigify, resources, rig templates, and here it is. This is my own custom one here. The reason this is good to know is that when you create a new template in ue2rigify, you lose, if you create a new template and you want it to be precisely like the mannequin, but maybe reposition some of the bones, for example, if you create new, you lose all forward kinematics and bone deformation mappings. So if you instead copy the folder male or female mannequin, for example, paste it and rename it, you'll have a template with all those bits inside it. If you're interested in how I found that out, if I go through to Blender, I noticed the create new button inside the ue2rigify toolkit. I searched for this in the code that you download, the zip folder, the plugin that you download from Unreal Engine's GitHub. I searched to create new. There's two search results that are returned. You can see that it goes and gets rig templates. For when you go and create a new one, it appends to that list of rig templates that come from this function. If you press F12 to go through to that function, you can see that the directories comes from this, or references a constant, and that constant is the templates path. And if I go F12 to that, you can see that there is a plugin called temp file that gives you access to the temporary directory. I didn't know where that temporary directory was, so I googled it and I found this result, which is the one we know about. And just to finish that off, you can also see here that the ue2rigify is part of that path that it creates. So it's joining that with the resources, with the rig templates, and then it gets put in there. So that is all. Hope that helps.